Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making 3 different flavors of cakes from one cake batter, and these cake layers or cake flavors are going to be topped up with some chocolate chips, which is the main ingredients for today. These cake flavors include our coffee chocolate chip cake layer, our vanilla chocolate chip cake layer, and our red velvet chocolate chip layer. These are the tools and ingredients we are using for today's 3-in-1 chocolate chip cakes. So we have our flour, our vegetable oil, some eggs, we have chocolate chips, we also have cornstarch, unsweetened cocoa powder, powdered red food coloring, we have some vinegar, baking soda, baking powder, we have vanilla essence, some salt, our butter, freshly squeezed lemon juice, sugar, 6-inch baking tins which are round. We also have spare bowls, a sieve, some tissue, a wooden ladle. We have ice cream scooper and also a metallic ladle, a scissors. We also be using a parchment paper. We also use our silicone spatulas, some toothpick, our mixer with the bowl and the paddle attachment. We also use this plate here for serving and the 12-slot cupcake sheet. We'll also use a whisk. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. To begin, we are going to cream the butter, sugar and oil as we do per usual until light, airy and fluffy. After that is done, we are going to add in our eggs one at a time and then we mix until we obtain a beautiful uniform mixture. Next, we are going to sift and prepare our dry ingredients as we do per usual and then we add it to it. Not forgetting the addition of our buttermilk mixture. Our flavoring agent. To make the vanilla version of our chocolate chip cake layer, we are going to pick some of the batter which we've set aside, then we add in some chocolate chips, we mix it together nicely and then we distribute it into our pre-prepared cake tin and our cupcake layers, which we've placed in the cupcake slots. After that is done, we'll move on to the making of the red velvet version, which we are going to add in some of the chocolate chips, our red food coloring, and then some milk to mix everything in to form the beautiful red hue that we need for the red velvet chocolate chip cake layer. We'll use the same process of distribution into our round pre-prepared baking tin and the cupcake tray. Next, we are going to work with the coffee chocolate chip layer. So we are going to pour into it our instant coffee, which we are going to activate with some hot water. Then we add in our chocolate chips and then a hint of cocoa powder. And this is how they look like. We'll top them up with extra chocolate chips just to define it a bit. And then we'll bake them at 160 degrees for 15 to 25 minutes at most. After they are baked, this is how they look like. And this is how the round ones also look. We are going to serve them onto our plates. We'll cut into it with our serrated knife and then we enjoy. So we start with the vanilla version. We place it onto our plate, cut it with our serrated knife, just a slice, and then we enjoy. Then we move on to the next one, which is the red velvet chocolate chip cake layer. We are going to cut a slice out of that as well, and then we place it onto our plate, and then we use the fork to cut into it as well. And this is how it looks like. Lastly, we are going to work with the coffee chocolate chip cake layer. So this is how it also looks like. We are going to slice into it, place it onto our plates, and then finally cut into it with our fork. This is how they also look like in the cupcake versions. Is this a recipe you are going to give a try? If yes, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. This is a new cake recipe I tried and I felt like sharing it with you all so that you can also make it with a twist, not just the regular flavors we always enjoy, but at least a twist with chocolate chips, which makes it very delicious and tasty. Try this recipe and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.